Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in FBC Mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So to log in FBC Mortgage, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference, and once you tap in the web browser you need to type in the URL www.fbchomeloans.loanadministration.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of FBC Mortgage account, and once you have done this you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply type in the username and your password of your account. And once you are done typing in both the credentials, you need to simply tap on the login option. After you have done this as well, you will be logged in into your FBC Mortgage account in simple, easy manner. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.